Let's go. There it is. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm starting this video off because I want to go ahead and give a huge shout out to some of the new supporters of the channel. We got Unleashed Motorsports. They're definitely helping me out. We got Automotive Pros. They're going to go ahead and actually be doing some of the installations, which you're going to go ahead and see. I want to go ahead and say most of the installations. And then we have VMP Performance, which definitely hooked it up. You know, we're going to be running the Gen 3 R blower. We have the triple pass and we got most of the stuff from them. But again, we got all three of them right here getting added on. Huge thank you to all of them. Without them, I wouldn't be able to make this happen. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get this video started up. Oh, here we go. Going into Automotive Pros to get everything installed pretty much. I'm gonna go ahead and have to get E85 at some point, but this is probably gonna go ahead and be about a 2-day job. All right, so I got the tripod all set up. We have all the things laid out here. I'm gonna go ahead and let Daniel get down to it. He's the man to go ahead and be doing a lot of the installation. I gotta actually go pick up the other car because this was gonna be staying here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put it pretty much on a time lapse. So we're gonna go throw you on the time lapse right now. A lot heavier than you think. All right, so we picked up the Cobra. They're over here getting done right now. They actually took off the supercharger right here. Got the new one right there. So they've been putting in some work, as you guys go ahead and see. These are actually the new injectors. So you already see these put on. Not sure what's happening right there, but that's a way better camera setup than what I got right here. So they just took a little shot of the Shelby, which is pretty dope, not gonna lie. They're actually hosting a car wash fundraiser here for some events. Unfortunately, there's been a lot of accidents been happening around here in Fresno with some lives being taken. So basically, there's gonna be a little fundraiser event that they're gonna have this Sunday. So pretty much that's what they're shooting for, which is really cool when you are actually able to see the car community kind of coming together, do stuff like that. So that's really good. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to take some photos real quick while the Shelby's here, but you know, with the supercharger off. Try to get them next to each other so I can get a good shot with them together. So there it is. You go ahead and see the difference. Actually, this thing's a little bit bigger than I thought it was, but this thing is huge. You go ahead and see the difference, obviously. So we have the jugs here because the first start has to be on E85. Mike Whedon sent me the tune over, so that's going to be the first start. So it should go really well, especially because I am getting tuned by VMP for obvious reasons. So again, a huge shout out to VMP. And you go ahead and see they already drilled out this little section, which is the only modification, I'll put quotations, only modifications that this supercharger actually requires. So that makes it the installation process very simple and easy to do. However, I am very glad I left it up to the professionals to go ahead and handle all of this, because with this process, with all these things, you have to pretty much finish where you started. So here we go. We actually got the Gen 3 R all on there already. He's finishing it up. He's still on for another about 3 hours or 2 hours or so. So that being said, we'll go ahead and pick it up tomorrow. Pulled up in the Camaro today just because, not gonna lie, driving the Cobra over here back and forth is kind of a pain. And we got Estrella here finally. She's gonna go ahead and check out the progress as well. So go ahead and see they're actually running the lines already. It's been a while since I've actually been down here and seen underneath. We got all the BMR stuff that we run. Bunch of tire residue, pretty much. We're getting pieces hooked up. That looks so damn good. What's up? Where? Is that a hole in my cat? It is. It is a little hole in the cat. It's okay. At least I have cats still. So this is a stock actual fuel head here with the pumps. You go ahead and see the difference. It's still a pretty good size unit, but compared to the FORE Innovation ones that we're having with the return system, you go ahead and definitely see the difference. Unfortunately, I don't have the side-by-side, but you guys seen it through the unboxing and so forth. I'll go ahead and just throw it up back on the tripod and go ahead and give you guys some time lapses while me and her go do some other stuff. Still got the camera here, so we'll see what happens. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in the Camaro and go get some grub probably, because we are hungry. Hungry? So we're in the Camaro SS again. I know you guys aren't here for the Camaro content, but I do enjoy this car pretty, you know, decently, honestly. So just real quick to see what I'm talking about. So it picks up. I mean, it really, you know, you can really feel, I'm sure the camera's going back and forth like crazy because of the sails holding it, but. So real quick, I'm just gonna do a little 40 pull, nothing too crazy. But again, I just wanna go ahead and show you guys, actually, it's like not as slow as I thought it was. So not bad at all, in all honesty. I mean, definitely, we're looking at like low 400s, I think, if anything. Compared to, you know, the 550 that we have on the Shelby to the wheels, and then the Cobra, which, you know, when the fuel system's all set and done, it should be making around mid 500s as well. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Good? Mm-hmm. Got sushi. So this is the benefit of actually having the professionals install everything. We had some sushi right now, and now we're gonna go ahead and have some fun because we can. So we're gonna go ahead and spend a couple hours here, and then we'll go ahead and head back and see how it is, or what they've done pretty much. So what you get?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Potatoes.
Nachos. Nachos.
We got some salad.
Salad.
Some pizza.
Pizza.
And obviously can't forget the dessert.
Dessert. And then the bread that we've been eating already. Yum. How do you miss that? Nice, nice, very nice. Good job.
Let's go!
On the way from John's Incredible, aka the arcade, we went and get some stars back at Automotive Pros. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much get an update real quick, and we gotta go head home because she has to go to work. Not gonna lie, having the Camaro for the day was pretty fun. Got the carbon sitting right here pretty much out of the way, make sure it doesn't get damaged. Looks like we already have the belt all around the supercharger, that's good. I'm sure the injectors are all on there. It's looking really, really good. Very happy right now. It's going good?
It's going, yeah, it's going good. It's where exactly the throttle wire wants to sit. The fuel line's gonna be right here, so I don't know if I'm gonna either have to try to bend this way or bend it down. So that's where I'm at. The fuel rails, pressure regulators will go right here.
Oh, it's gonna go in the corner right here?
Yeah, right here. It's gonna sit right here.
Nice.
So you'll still have access to it. It's gonna be pointed up right here. Of course, the line's gonna come this way and pull them that way, and then this one's gonna go down. But it's gonna be like right here. So you still have access to look at the pressure.
You didn't have any issues?
No. Well, the only thing that is kind of hard, I wish this kit came with like a 90 degree to where I could put a 90 right here, come this way.
Oh,
so
yeah.
loop the hose around, so you're gonna have two hoses looping. But other than that, it's just more hose.
Yeah, more extra, yeah.
More hose, and then that will go that way, and then I'm running these main wires this way, and then come in through this way, so it can go to the battery, power those up.
Looks good, man. Looks good. Yeesh. Honestly, cannot wait to see everything all put back together and all running, in all honesty. But it is going to be well worth the wait. It's been a long time coming, so super, super excited. So we have the blower all put on there. We have the intake, everything put together. So it's starting to come together, as you guys go ahead and see. The battery still needs to get put back in, but they're actually doing a little bit of soldering inside. But it is starting to come back together. So there it is, it's all put back together. We have the battery charging. I just got done eating. Looks pretty good. Everything interior is put back together. Got the carbon fiber seat delete back there, looking hecka good. We have the cord that's hooked up over there, which is the WOT Box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the other stuff. So stay tuned for all of that. So again, a huge shout out to VMP for hooking a lot of this stuff up, and a huge shout out to Automotive Pros, especially Daniel, for installing all of this stuff and getting it done in a very, very tight crunch for shift sector. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Next one, we're actually gonna go ahead and start it up and get through all the driving process and all the tuning and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.